Welcome everybody to the new A-Class sedan, and here are the 5 things you need to know about this locally assembled model. The exterior remains largely the same with LED high-performance headlamps and 18-inch wheels. However, the run-flat tyres on the previous A200 is now replaced with conventional tyres. As for the A250, the cross-drilled brake disc in the CBU units has now been replaced with conventional brake discs. The A250 gets a 2-litre turbocharged engine with 224 horsepower and 350 Nm of torque, while the A200 gets a 1.3-litre engine with 163 horsepower and 250 Nm. Both are paired to a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission to drive the front wheels. Inside, the A200 now comes without the 64-colour ambient lighting system and a carbon look for the switches. Both models also get dual-zone air conditioning compared to the single-zone system previously. As for safety, both variants come with 7 airbags and autonomous emergency braking, while the A250 gets an additional blind spot monitor. The A200 progressive line is priced at 210,000 ringgit, while the A250 AMG line is priced at 239,000 ringgit. For more information on the A200 and A250 sedan, do log on to AutoBuzz.my.